What's going on there, YouTube? It's your guy Rocky from Rockside RC, hitting you guys with another video today. So today we picked up the Axial Ryft. This thing is a monster. Let's get this thing out on the trails. We're not even gonna do an unboxing today. We're just gonna get this thing out on the trails. We did some modifications to this thing. Let's check it out. Let's see how this thing performs. Let's go. So we're out here with the Axial Ryft. We did some modifications to it, as you can see, with the suspension. And I actually took the motor out, the motor and the ESC out. So we did a 2-in-1 from Hobby Wing. It's the Fusion 8. So it's the 1800 kV. And now this thing is low and slow. Let's hit the trails and let's see how this thing performs. All right, guys, so just so you can see how slow this thing crawls now. And she still rips. All right, let's get it. So we didn't lock the diffs yet, but we'll see how it performs though. So that'll be my next upgrade on this truck, is doing the diffs and locking them. Nice. Look at that flex, guys. See if can I even make it. And the diffs aren't locked yet, so. Yeah, once the diffs get locked, I'm pretty sure she'll handle it a lot better. Or send at least a lot better. Very cool though. Definitely liking the Ryft. This is my second Ryft. And I definitely gotta say, I'm definitely a big fan of the Ryft from Axial. Alright, let's see if we can make it up here. Nice. Oh, that was a breeze. Low and slow, guys, low and slow. Let's do some side hill and let's see how this thing performs on the side hill. Not so good, huh? Make it around that tree. All right, there we go. Nice. Nice. Alright guys, so this is without the lock diff still. It's actually not doing too bad. Nice. She's so wide. Very nice. Certain areas it definitely needed the locks. In certain areas it definitely needed the diff locked, but certain areas I just need a little, you know, bump. Nice, just like that. It is starting to rain. So the trails are going to start to get wet, which will make it a little harder for the truck, but that's fine. We're up for the challenge. Right, Ryft? See if we can make this one over here. Nice. Very nice. My last truck I took out a few days ago, it had a little trouble over in that area, so this truck is doing pretty good. All right, everybody. Hopefully everybody enjoys your day, your family, your friends, and whatever RC car you guys have. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Roxette out.